Grade 8 EPS Warangal. On 8th October, we celebrate Indian Air Force Day. On this occasion, I have drawn a picture. Thank you.
Everyone, I'm Manha Fayal from Grade 7. Indian Air Force is also known as Bharatiya Vayu Sena and is the air arm of Indian Armed Forces. The celebration of this day was started officially on 8th October in year 1932. In order to increase the awareness of Indian Air Force in any organization of the national security, both officially and publicly. Now let's know the motto of IAF. Touch the sky with glory. The motto of Indian Air Force has been taken from the 11th chapter of the Gita, the discourse given by Lord Krishna to Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra during the Great War of Mahabharata. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Haripriya from 9th grade. Today on October 8, we are going to celebrate International Air Force Day. In Indian Air Force, they are given with ranks like the 5-star rank, 4-star rank, 3-star rank and so on. Let us discuss about 3 ranks of Indian Air Force. The first one is Marshal of the Indian Air Force. Marshal of the Indian Air Force is the 5th officer rank and it is the highest rank in Indian Air Force. It is a ceremonial rank which is awarded only once. Mr. Arjan Singh is the only one who have held with this rank. The next rank is the Air Chief Marshal. It is also called as Chief of the Air Staff. The Air Chief Marshal is the 4th rank officer in Indian Air Force. It is also the highest rank in Indian Air Force. It is above 3 stars and below 5 stars. The current Air Chief Marshal is RKS. Next rank is Air Marshal. It is the 3-star rank officer in Indian Air Force. It is the 2nd highest rank in Indian Air Force. It is above 5-star, 4-star and below 2-star. The current officer who holds this Air Marshal is SPDO.
Hello friends, I am R. Arjun from 6th grade. Indian Air Force Day is celebrated on 8th October every year. On this occasion, I feel proud to perform as Braveheart Shahid Flying Officer Paramveer Chakra awarded Nirmaljeet Singh Shekhan. I am Nirmaljeet Singh Shekhan, Flying Officer of Indian Air Force. I am inspired by my father and I decided to join in the Indian Air Force. I was passionate about fighter planes from my childhood. On June 4th, 1967, I joined in Indian Air Force as pilot officer. In the year 1971, the Indo-Pak border has become a battlefield. As an air warrior, I defended 6 Pakistani jets to save Srinagar airfield. For the safety, honor and welfare of my motherland, I decided to sacrifice my life. When you go home, tell them of us and say, for your better tomorrow, we lost our today. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Namaste. Hi everyone. I am Aswat from 6th grade. Today I am going to say a few points about Jagmohan Nath. He is a squad leader. He was awarded the MVC. He decorated for his service in the 1962 and 65 wars. He undertook several missions over Pakistan territory. He is credited with obtaining crucial information. Thank you everyone. Happy Air Force Day. Jai Hind. I am Arjun Singh, Master of Indian Air Force. I was given Padma Vibhushan. I led the Indian Air Force during 1965 war. I was the first Indian Air Force officer promoted to 5-star rank. Thank you everyone.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Saivardhan. Today I am going to present the role of Abhinandan Vartaman, rank Wing Commander, Service number 2798, Battles or Wars, 2019 Indian-Pakistan Standoff, Awards Veer Chakra, Akhila Bharatiya Timber Jain Mahasmith, Chairperson Vanida Chain announced Vartaman would be awarded the Bhagwan Mahavir Ahimsa Puraskar on 17th April 2019, the date of Mahavir Jayanti in August the same year. He was presented with the Veer Chakra Gallantry Award. Thank you, Thal Padmavati International School.